Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today let us see how to prepare vegetable clear soup. This is one of the healthiest diet recipe which you can enjoy during monsoon. Ingredients: 1 cup sweet corn, finely chopped half onions, 4 garlic cloves, salt to taste, 1 spoon ghee, 1 tablespoon corn flour, finely chopped 1 cup beans, 1 bay leaf, some coriander leaves, 1 cup finely chopped carrot, some peppercorns. Now let us dissolve the corn flour by adding some water to it. Now let us start stirring it. Make sure there are no lumps. Now it looks perfect. Now let's start the preparation. Switch on the stove. Add 1 spoon of ghee. Add 1 bay leaf. Finely chopped 4 garlic cloves. And saute. Add finely chopped onions. Saute until the onion turns translucent. Make sure you do not burn the onions. Now let us start adding the vegetables to the frying pan. Firstly, let us add 1 cup of carrots, followed by finely chopped 1 cup of beans. Now gently saute them. Now let us add some sweet corns and saute them for 2 to 3 seconds, and that's enough. Now let us add water to the pan. Now gently stir them. Now add salt as per your taste. Now let us add the dissolved corn flour. Keep stirring the spatula while adding the corn flour mixture so that there are no lumps formed. Allow it to cook for about 5 minutes in a medium flame and cover it with a lid. After 5 minutes, let us open the lid. Now let us add some freshly cracked peppercorns. Now gently mix with the help of a spatula, and the veggies have been cooked sufficiently. Now remove the bay leaf from the soup. Now you can switch off the stove and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now our healthy vegetable clear soup is ready. Make your monsoon special by making these delicious recipes. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.